So, top 10 reasons why you need life insurance. Okay, this is not a paid advertisement. I am not paid to do this. This is my own opinion. Disclaimer, okay? So, I am not a financial advisor also. I am not a agent, okay? I'm not also an agent, okay? So, let's make it clear. So, I'm just telling you why you need to get life insurance because I also have a life insurance and it is helpful, okay? Okay. So first reason is replace lost income. Okay? So life insurance when when the breadwinner of the family lost its source of income, what happens to the family? They lost everything. Okay? So if your wife doesn't have any work, is a full-time mom, and you don't have income anymore, so you cannot maintain your lifestyle with that one. That's why you need life insurance, okay? Because having a life insurance, even in your death, you are thinking of the people that you love, okay? You are not being selfish, okay? It's not for you. Life insurance is not for you. It's for the people that you will be leaving behind, okay? Okay. So, when you go to cemetery, there is a big coffin there and there is small coffin also. Life, death, death doesn't give any notice. Okay, it's not like Meralco that it gives disconnection notice. When your time comes, and it will not give you any notice. So make sure you are not only prepared yourself, you also prepared your loved ones. Okay, and that they will not cry twice. The first tears is they will miss you. The second will be what will they do with their life now without you? Okay, they cannot survive without you. All the skills in the business and all other things is you having it. Okay? So, second reason why you need a life insurance. Cover burial expenses. Okay, sadly, even a basic funeral service can run upward of several. Okay, so it's expensive to die now. Okay, so without life insurance, your family who will be left behind will be in debt just for you to have a proper burial. So having a life insurance will cover these payments. Okay, and even give your family money to start with. Okay, so number three, pay off debt. Okay, so basically, most people now, when they die, they leave debt with their family, with their wife, with their children, and the banks will get their house, the banks will get their everything that they have just to recover the payment of the debt. And if you are that kind of brutal person that you are only thinking of yourself, and when you leave this planet, you left your family to become a beggar, that's not a wise decision. Okay? So, life insurance are for breadwinners, okay? Because they are going to take care of their children even if they are not around. That's how thoughtful you are. Okay, so you pay off debt, so you become responsible and you can have funds for your family even if you are not here. So when they cry in your burial, that's crying with mourning only. And also they feel that you love them so much that even when you died, you are still taking care of them. Okay? You are still taking care of them. Okay, number four reason will be college planning. Imagine, you are not there anymore, but the college of your children, they don't have student loan because you have provided everything. Okay? So, that's one way of having a life insurance. Number five, build cash value. Okay? So you can grow also your funds whenever you have a life insurance. Okay, my life insurance also, I have a life insurance. It if it matures when I reach age 65 and nothing happens to me in any way, so I get at least 15 million. That's a currency base here in my country. Okay, that's huge already. Okay, compared to dollar, you divide it by 50. Okay, so basically, it is necessary to have a life insurance also. So you can have cash value also. Okay, and number six is diversify investment. You need to diversify your investment. So you see, if you're a day trader, you have been trading every day, that's a risky investment. You can lose, you can win. But in life insurance, you will only win. Okay, so before exploring any kind of investment, invest first in yourself, and that is through life insurance. Okay, so before doing some risky investment, enter first the safest, which is life insurance. Okay, okay. So number seven is business planning. Okay, it's vital that you have life insurance. This covers your obligations. So if you die, if something happens to you, so your business can still run, your business can still work, and your wife can still operate, or your children can still operate your business. Okay? Number eight is also important. It's estate tax. Estate taxes. Okay? When someone pass away, their heirs often face estate and inheritance taxes on any asset they receive. Imagine if they are an heir, they cannot get the inheritance unless they pay off the estate taxes. Okay? So that's the power of life insurance because you can use the life insurance to pay those things because that's the only available money you can use during that time. Okay? You cannot use all the funds of the dead person cannot be used yet. Okay? So once it's paid off, it's gonna be released. Okay? So if you're worried for your loved ones to pay huge taxes with the estate taxes and assets, so use life insurance also. Okay. Number nine is coverage is affordable. Okay. Coverage is affordable. There's so many cheap, affordable coverages. Okay. What I have in mind is I ask my financial advisor, the agent I ask her give me three quotation. The affordable, the cheap one, the standard one, and the expensive one. Okay, I asked her these three. So she gave me the quotation. She told me that the affordable here in the Philippines is at least 1,500. But it is lifetime. You're gonna pay for life, 1,500. The second one, it says this amount, 3,000 or something. And then the elite one, expensive one, is at least 6,300. And then the benefits are better than the second and the first one. So I told her I like this third one, the Elite Pro Life Elite 15 Pro. So I like this one. Okay, based on those things that explained to me, so I like this one. So I got it and it's still affordable. Imagine for that amount, you can have it and you can have at least 2 million for emergency, 2 million for I will show you later. Okay, I will show you in our share screen. I will share my screen and show you my life insurance also. Okay. Okay. So it's affordable. And number 10 is peace of mind. You can have peace of mind. Okay. So you can work hard. You will have nothing to worry with your family. You can take care of your family. Okay. Even if you are not around. Okay. So that's being wise right there. You take care of them. Okay. So things to take note. Don't get life insurance if you don't have money to pay. Okay? Because the number one concern of life insurance, if you cannot pay it, then you will forfeit it. Okay, so make sure you have sources of income that will be paying your policy. Okay, they call it policy. So make sure you have the funds to pay it. Okay, so for me, I have other sources of income. For example, I'm also a teacher in Udemy. And since there I have a passive income there, I use the income there to pay for my life insurance. Okay, so 6,300 I make dollar in Udemy, so that's fine. I can use the income there to pay automatic. So all good. I have way to pay it without touching my own money for daily expenses and other stuff. Okay, so I always say to people, greatness is not something to be forced. Okay, so if you force something, that is unwise decision. Okay, so you force your life insurance. Your salary is 15,000. And then you less everything, you have 500 left. And then with that 500 left, you got a life insurance of 1,500. Do you think it is wise to get life insurance when you only have 500 left? That's not wise. Okay? So that's not wise. And you will also lose your life insurance. So I encourage you, before thinking of life insurance, think first of growing your income. Okay? Do not choose like what should I lessen? What should I not spend with? Okay? Do not think of those things that I should save, I should save, I should do this, I should do this to lessen my expenses. No. Think of how you can grow your income. Because if you think of how you can grow your income, then you can meet all your expenses. Okay? At the same time, of course, you save. At the same time, of course, live a simple life. Okay? So that's the note that I want you to remember because I don't want you to get any policy without you being able to pay for it. Okay? I took also that 6-3 because it's only payable for 15 years. Okay? So I don't want to pay for life. That's tiring. Okay? So with that 15 years, once I paid it, then I'm all good. Okay? All good. So I can just ignore it. And at the age of 40 something, 42, 43, I can also start cashing out my profit from my life insurance. Okay. So I also have in the life insurance that I chose in the first year, it will add automatically. It will add automatically to my fund value, which the fund value means my money will be put into a stock market, which means it will start making money for me. And that's the elite that I took because others will be transferred after 3 years. Your money will be put in the stock market after 3 years, others 2 years. So this one is when you enter, then you will also start making money. Okay? So the stock market now is down, so that's a good time to buy for your life insurance for the indexes where it is put. Okay? Okay. So let me show you something from the screen. So that's the 10 things that I need to share to you. And here's some proof of our life insurance. Let me make it smaller. And then let me try this one, the Google. Okay, and then let's like, I hope I save already my password here. Okay, let me check here in Safari. Okay, here I save it already. Okay, so here's my policy. Okay, so Pro Life Elite Protection, Enforce Premium. Okay, so policy detail, mode of payment. This is bank, automatic bank. Okay, from BPI. So I am below under Pro Life. Okay, so this is my Pro Life UK. Okay, so I am not their agent. Okay, I'm just sharing. So you know also. Okay, I have my agent and then TPD 750 some, 15 ad, 180, LCB 1 million, second. Okay. So beneficiary details, you put your wife, you take care of your wife. Okay, so this is for my wife. So I want my wife to live a comfortable life. Okay. So financial values. So this is where it's put right now in trading. Okay, this is the equity navigator. So this is a risky one, so it can grow up to 15 million when I reach at the age of 65. Okay, so this is the current amount that it's put there. I just started early though. So as long as you have a sustainable, I just paid 37 since the sum assured is 2 million. Okay, okay. So basically, policy service requirement, policy transaction, beneficiary, financial value, policy. Okay. Basically, that's it. So what you get in return is peace of mind. Okay. And also you can secure your wife also. Okay. Okay. So and the other question that you need to ask yourself is who should you get as your agent? Because the agent should live longer than you. Okay? Your agent should be longer to live longer than you because if they died first than you, then that's a problem. So you need to get a agent that is younger. Okay? So this one, my agent is she is my young people. I'm a pastor by profession and she is a young people of mine from Davao. So she messaged me and I was really looking for I'm considering really of life insurance and she came to me so I appreciate that she offered and so I got it. Okay? So you need also a trustworthy person. So you ask, are you going to stay for a long time in life insurance? Are you going to be a permanent agent or is this your pastime only? So you need to have a dedicated full-time agent also. Okay? So they need to be there when you need them most. Okay? Because they are the one who's going to process everything. Okay? Okay, so make sure you have a trustworthy. Just like any business, people don't trust you because you are skillful, you are excellent. People, of course, excellent is necessary. But first of all, if you are trustworthy, is your character good enough? Okay, so for them to entrust to you something valuable. Okay, so I think Hannah has this quality. Okay, so that's why I chose her. Okay, so basically, if you want also to have your life insurance, and if you don't know what to take, you can consider this one also. Okay, and I can also recommend also my agent. As long as you are in the Philippines, so you can have this one also. Okay. Okay, okay. So all the best, everyone. Thank you for watching. And if you are a day trader, you can scan this QR right here, and then you will get redirection. Okay, you can get a redirection to our trade scholar. Okay, so you can also get signals from us. Okay, all the best. Cheers. See you in my next video. Bye bye.